Johnson out of Missouri State, the power forward, Harris.
I see a lot of these guys going off the board, and I'm kind of surprised who they're getting picked over. But overall, with Alize Johnson, versatile defender, good rebounder as well. He's a good enough shooter. I want him to be a little bit more consistent. 15 points per game, 11.6 rebounders. He just in the NBA draft, you can point to a couple different statistics that tell you whether or not a player is going to be good in the NBA. A lot of those, especially on defense, blocks and steals. Their blocks and steals percentages are always good indicators of how good NBA players how good an NBA player is going to be. Nothing. No blocks, no steals.
Yep.
Tells me not active off the ball and has a low basketball IQ on defense. He just doesn't really do anything spectacular. He's big, 6'8", 215, can score a little bit around the rim. Wouldn't be surprised if this guy is not a career G Leaguer, but that's kind of where he ends up. I'd be kind of surprised if he ends up making an NBA impact.